In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to convert a Replit web app into APK file. We'll take a live Replit project and wrap it into an Android app using an online builder so you can share it as a downloadable APK. Before we start, make sure your Replit app is public, loads over HTTPS, and works well on mobile screens, since the Android app will display your site inside a web view. Begin by opening your Replit project in the browser. You need the public URL that opens your app, not the code editor link. You can find it by using the republish area to copy the live link, or even quicker, click the small chain or link icon next to the app preview. That icon instantly copies the correct URL to your clipboard. If you're unsure, paste it into a new browser tab and confirm it loads your web app as visitors would see it. Next, head over to the Median App Builder website and choose New App. You'll see a simple form asking for your website URL, the app name, and an email. Paste the Replit URL you just copied, type a clear user-facing app name, and add a valid email so you can receive build status and files. When that's set, click Start Building My App to kick off the process. You'll notice a loading indicator on the left. This is normal. Median is fetching your site and preparing the Android package. Give it a moment to finish. Once it's ready, scroll down the page to find the download section. In the Android APK AAB area, click Build to generate your files. The build may take a short while depending on your project size. When the build completes, click Download, then choose Download APK. The APK file is perfect for testing and direct installs. If you plan to publish on the Play Store later, remember that AAB is the preferred format there, but for now, APK is exactly what you need to try the app on a device or share for feedback. Save the file somewhere easy to find. A quick recap: you grabbed the public Replit URL, created a new app in Median with that link and a name, waited for the build, and downloaded the APK. Because this app wraps your website, any updates you make on Replit will usually reflect the next time users open the app, though some content may be cached. If the app shows an old version, refreshing your Replit deployment and clearing cache on the device can help. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.